In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily connect your phone to your Grundig TV. Okay, for the first time, what we can do is that we go here into the home menu. So click on the home button and then go all the way to the right to the apps. And here in the apps, go all the way down, and then here we can easily search for apps. And here we can search for, if you have like an iPhone or Apple device, then we can look for like AirScreen. So AirScreen is a really nice app here. Click on this. And then we can easily connect this here to the phone. So when we look for this, but on newer Grundig TV, so like I have a like Grundig TV with a Google system, and there we have like a pre-installed program, so we don't have to look for like AirScreen or something else. We can easily take the pre-installed program here from the Grundig TV. So and if you have also like an Android device, then you can also look for like screen mirror apps for Android screen mirror apps, and there you will also find something. Okay, here in this case, what we can do is that we go here and go on your apps, and then we can go here to the right to the multi-screen share. By the way, if you want to use your mobile phone as a remote, then you have to go here into the search bar. Here we have to look for the remote app, so or a handy phone remote app, or like control app. Okay, and but if we want to screen mirror here and connect the phone, then we can go here on the multi-screen share. So this is the pre-installed app, and when we are in this app, then we can go on our mobile phone or like the Apple device. Then we can here scroll down and then go on this here, and then we can easily connect it to the TV. So you see this here, go on this, and then we can easily connect to that. And this is all we have to do. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.